We're still cooking on a budget. Welcome back to Miss Shia's Kitchen. Today we're making pasta and pork. So we are going to start by putting our cooking oil and salt in water, and then we add our pasta and we allow that to boil. We're going to put vegetable spice on our meat, and then we're going to use the steakhouse beef barbecue spice. It's so delicious. And then we're going to use our 6-gun. So with this being done, we're going to marinate our meat. So how are we making today's pasta? We're just opening the fridge and seeing whatever vegetables that we have, and we're making a delicious meal. Remember, the season is eating good food on a budget. Yes, guys. So we're just going to fry our pork. I like to put my meat in oil before it's hot because I don't like the popping, guys. I'm so scared. So we're just going to cut our greens. Remember when we made our meal the last time, we had greens remaining. So yeah, we're putting our green pepper, yellow pepper, cucumber, carrot and tomato. These are the vegetables we found in the kitchen. So we're going to add black pepper, mayonnaise, just enough mayonnaise for what you're making. I love chili sauce, so I'm going to add a bit of chili sauce. And then we're going to use our eggs. So when I boiled the pasta, I forgot to show you guys the process where I added the eggs. So I'm just going to, so I'm just going to mix that together to make a nice creamy mayonnaise. Then we're putting our pasta and everything we chopped or everything we cut before, you guys remember. And then we're just going to mix that up. Done. Guys, this was nice. And I made this in the dark. Load shading was load shading. And enjoy your beautiful meal. Remember, eating good on a budget. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. I love you guys very much, and I appreciate your support.